before going for this exercise problems, now we have to know all these things. Equations of motion: V is equal to U plus AT, or S is equal to UT plus half LT square. V square minus U square is equal to AS, or A is equal to V square minus U square by 2S. And one more equation, Sn is equal to that U plus A by 2 of 2n minus 1. Yeah, that is also there, but okay, we will not be using that much here. And net force formula, F is equal to ma. Okay,
Okay, sir.
and net force F is equal to 0. Why? When the body is at rest, na, the net force F is equal to 0. Okay, so this kind of points you should know, and you should have an idea about Newton's second law, Newton's first law. Okay, and you should have an idea about free body diagram, and you should have an idea about net force equation, how to make net force equation, like left side, right side, upwards, downwards. Okay, net force equation you should be able to make. For example, two forces are acting in the same direction, then they gets added. Two forces are acted in the opposite direction, they are get subtracted. The same thing is applied vertically, horizontally. Okay, vertically and horizontally. The forces can be vertical or horizontal. So that is one. Net force equation you should be able to make vertically as well as horizontally. And there is one expression called spring force expression. F is equal to minus kx. This is very important. Spring force F is equal to minus kx we take. Minus why? Because it always acts opposite to the applied force. It is actually a restoring force, we can say. Restoring force. Spring force, when you try to extend it or when you try to compress it, then restoring force will act opposite to the applied force. And if you want to extend it, the spring tries to compress it due to restoring force. Okay, and if you compress it, the spring try to come to normal position due to restoring force after releasing of the force. Okay, so minus kx, minus why? Because it when you compress it now and release the load, then immediately it attains the uh, normal normal mode. So that should act opposite to the applied force actually. So that is why minus. Okay, K is the spring constant. It gives you how much elastic is the spring, and X is the uh, displacement or compression elongation, how much it has taken place. Okay, and also you should have an idea about vector resolution. These all points you must know in order to solve these exercise problems. Problem 1. A block of mass 2 kg placed on a long frictionless horizontal table and is pulled horizontally by a constant force F. It is found to move 10 meters in the first 2 seconds. Find the magnitude of force. So in order to find out the force according to Newton's second law, what is the force formula? Force formula, please.
Sir, mass into acceleration.
Yeah, mass is given and acceleration to find out with the given data, then find out force. If you use second equation of motion, s is equal to ut plus half at square, u is 0, t is 2 seconds, a you have to find out, s is 10 meter they have given. From there, acceleration you will get the value as 5 meter per second square, and force value is mass into acceleration 2 into 5, and 10 Newton is the answer. Okay. Next problem. A car is moving at a 40 km per hour is to be stopped by applying brakes in the next 4 meter. If the car weighs 2000 kg, what average force must be applied? So again, force formula is ma only. Mass is given 2000 kg. Okay. And acceleration you have to find out. Acceleration you find out. Then finally you can find out F. Okay. So if you use the third equation of motion, A is equal to v square minus v square by 2s, then u is given 40 km per hour. When you convert it into meter per second, its value is 11.11 meter per second, 11.11 meter per second, and finally it became rest. So v is equal to 0, and it traveled s is equal to 4 meter. Then acceleration will be, to simplify, minus 15.42. Then from there you can find out the force is equal to ma is equal to 2000 into minus 15.42, which is nearly equal to minus 3 into 10 power 4 Newton. That is the answer. Approximately minus 3.1 into 10 power 4. In a TV picture tube, electrons are ejected from the cathode with negligible speed and reach a velocity of 5 into 10 power 6 meter per second in traveling 1 centimeter. Assuming straight line motion, find the constant force exerted on the electron. The mass of the electron is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. Mass is given. With the given data, you find out acceleration and find out force. F is equal to ma. Try this. Same process. F is equal to ma. Mass is 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. Acceleration is v square minus v square by 2s. So if you substitute v value as 5 into 10 power 6, and u is negligible speed, so u is equal to 0, and s is 1 centimeter, that is 10 power minus 2 meter. You substitute all these values and simplify, please. If you simplify, F is equal to 1.1 into 10 power minus 15 Newton, you will get approximately. A block of mass 0.2 kg is suspended from the ceiling by a light string. A second block of mass 0.3 kg is suspended from the first block through another string. Find the tensions in the two strings. First, you should be able to draw the diagram of it. First, all of you try to draw the diagram, please. A block of mass 0.2 kg is suspended. Then again second block 0.3 kg is suspended. So please first you draw, all of you, the diagram. This is the diagram. One 0.2 kg mass is suspended, then 0.3 kg mass is suspended to this body with another rope or string. Then we have to draw the free body diagram for each mass. Okay, if you draw a free body diagram, for this 0.2 kg, tension upwards and weight downwards, and there is also one more string is also there. So